Hello friends, here Dipesh Tonge. So Selenium web tutorial as a part 3. Today we are going to discuss about the Selenium topics what we are covered in the next future lecture. So let's start about the content of the Selenium topic. Introduction of the automation testing, browser logging, WebDriver method, navigation command, locator, web element method, radio button, handling multiple web element and auto suggestion checkbox, how to handle drop down, web table, JavaScript executor, and about the scroll up and scroll down, how to do it, screenshot, how to take a screenshot, mouse over action, drag and drop, right click, window handling, frame handling, alerts, wait, and file uploading using robot class and sand keys and broken links. So let's go to the next slide and we discuss about once we are going to come up with the Selenium automation. When we are going to start automation scripting on any web application, we should know about the language knowledge of the Java oops concept. So like following are the oops concept like condition, you should know about the if condition, switches, loops, while for each loop, oops concept, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction, method overloading, overriding, constructor string, code optimization, collection, list, set. So you should know about the basic core Java concept whenever we are going to start a Selenium with Java language. Okay, so first, what is automation testing? Automation testing is an application by using any automation tool is called as automation testing. You can use any application or any tool which we can automate it without any human intervention. So it's called as automation testing. What type of automation tools we can use it? It's a software application which is used to automate any application like desktop, web application. We can use a different type of tools: Selenium, QTP, APM, Auto ID, Robot Class, Protector, Cucumber, and different types of tools available in the market. We can use as per the requirement of the application we can use it. So here is the tutorial about the Selenium WebDriver. So we will use a Selenium tool. It's a free and open source as everyone know about. It's open source to automate the web application. Any type of web application we can automate it. So following are the advantages of Selenium. It's an freely open source. It's a lot of community available in the internet. So we can connect it, and we don't have any buy any license. Anyone Selenium can automate it any web-based application such as Gmail, Facebook, Flipkart, any type of web application we can automate it. It supports different type of languages, programming language like Java, Python, C Sharp, Ruby, any type of languages they support it. It supports multiple platform like Windows, Mac, Linux. It supports almost of browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge browser, Opera. So these are the following advantages of Selenium. Now come up with the Java Selenium architecture. So you can see here I have created a Java architecture deck. The search context is the topmost interface in the Selenium, and there are sub interface like JavaScript executor, WebDriver, and tech screenshot. These interface inherited the search context interface, and the WebDriver interface have remote WebDriver class, and remote WebDriver class inherited by the Chrome driver class, Firefox driver class, or Internet Explorer class. All these are Chrome driver, Firefox, Internet are the classes, and the JavaScript executor, WebDriver, remote, and the tag screenshot is a are the interface, and supermost interface is the search context interface. and this is a remote WebDriver class. So these are the Selenium architecture. We can understand the interface and the classes we will use in to automate the application or while creating and scripting. Now, interface: search, context, JavaScript executor, and WebDriver classes. Remote WebDriver class, Chrome driver, Internet Explorer driver. Now, search context. Search context is the supermost interface, which is already told you about interfaces, which contains two methods like find element and find elements. Such context interface is inherited by the interface called WebDriver, which contain around 13 methods including 5 element and find elements method. There are other two interfaces such as JavaScript executor and take screenshot, which is used to execute a JavaScript statement, and take screenshot, which is used to take screenshots of web pages. All these interfaces are implemented in a class called remote WebDriver. All these interfaces are implemented in the class called remote WebDriver, supermost class in Selenium. Remote WebDriver is supermost driver class in Selenium is a remote WebDriver. All the method of remote WebDriver class are overridden in in respective browsers such as Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer, and driver. So we should know about the structure, Selenium driver structure, so we can understand the hierarchy of the Selenium component, classes, interface. So in the we done it, and the next lecture we will discuss about all the topic one by one and in a detail. Thank you for your watching. Please subscribe and like on videos and comment if you have any found any issue. Thank you.